ShenZhen Benefitbee Bee Industry Limited Company is located in Shenzhen, China. Established in 2011, we are a professional beekeeping solution provider. Now we operate 1,200 kinds of beekeeping tools, including more than 60 kinds of patented products and more than 400 sets of independent molds. Our production facility is located in World Knife City, Yangjiang, Guangdong, with China's advanced manufacturing technology and strong supporting industry advantages. We have complete hardware, plastic and wood products manufacturing equipment. Our annual production capacity includes the processing and manufacturing of 2 million hive tools and knives, 1 million queen excluders, 500,000 frames and foundations, 150,000 bee smokers, 100,000 beehives, and hundreds kinds of beekeeping tools. Benefitbee has a research and development team which designs new beekeeping tools for customers all over the world and provides solutions for efficient beekeeping. Since the beginning of establishment, we strive to exploit our expertise and innovation in the beekeeping industry, continuous improvement in products range, quality, price, and service. With the motto, "You demand the best and we deliver," we successfully build up strategic partnerships with some world-renowned beekeeping suppliers, and our products sell across over 100 countries. Our corporate success stems from satisfied quality products, prime service, and customers' trust. We sincerely hope to cooperate with more customers in the apiculture for mutual benefits and contribute more to fast development of beekeeping in the world. Let's love the bees, benefit the world.
Hello, this is Lucia from Overseas Sales Department. With more than 10 years' efforts, Benefitbee has grown to be a leading manufacturer and provider for beekeeping tools. We are offering more than 600 beekeeping tools, integrating plastic, textile, woodenware, hardware. Don't hesitate to contact us. You will find what you need.
Love the bees.